Deen channel. Long time no see. First thing I want to do is say thank you to everyone who subscribed. I was able to hit over 4,000 subscribers. I say this every time, but it's definitely a number I never thought I would see. Thank you for all the comments and likes and those that are watching my videos. I appreciate it so much. And also thank you for the ones who have asked me where I'm at, if everything's okay, when am I going to start posting videos again. Hopefully the weather will start cooperating and I'll be able to post more videos soon. I also like to thank Sal at the Root Boy Cooks. He had a giveaway on his channel. It was the Workman's Summer of Cooking, and I won these 6 cookbooks here. I can't wait to try the recipes in them. I like to thank Rich at Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia, and Michael Petrie at Heaven Made Products. They sent me these rubs. The first 3 here are Rich's, and this one here is the It's Incredible. I'm sure if you watch YouTube, you know all about this one here. I can't wait to try all of them out. Thank y'all so much. This is my 4th shout out video. I try to find channels that I haven't given a shout out to before. I'll have all their information in the description box. Hopefully I'll pronounce everything right. Andy Cooks Food, Big Ron Hobbies, Freakin' Brandon, Gray County Grillin', In for the Grill, Josh and Babe, Kirby's Fish and Grill, Pivy Project, Rez Barbecue and Pizzeria, The Real Show Barbecue, The Road to Good Cooking, and she also has another channel called Chat and Chew with Miss J. Please check out all these channels when you get a chance. I think you'll enjoy them as much as I do. I'm just going to show a real quick demo of the 2 gadgets I've been using the most recently. This is my new 8.5 quart air fryer. It's a Paula Deen. And this is my Hamilton Beach breakfast maker. I got the double one. Just want to show you what the cookbooks look like up close. This one is called Sloshes. Tots. I mean, who doesn't love tater tots? I know I do. Day Drinking. Treat Yourself. This one is adorable. I mean, I love Rice Krispie treats, and this is just all different kinds of ways to make them. Project Fire. I will definitely be using this book often. I already have 3 of his other cookbooks. I just love his cookbooks. And The Vegetable Butcher. Now, of course, we're not vegetarians, but it does show you all kinds of unique ways to prepare them, which I will definitely try them out. Thanks again, Sal. A while back, I bought the Philips air fryer, and I didn't like it because it had the dial. This one has the dial. The only difference is when you pull the basket out, it shuts off, where the Philips would continue to run. So that was my main reason I returned that one, because I just thought it was dangerous. The basket's out and the machine is, the fan's blowing and the heating element was on. It never would shut off until the timer went off. So that was the reason I returned it. This one here works perfectly fine. I'm gonna start the hash browns first because they take 10 minutes. I just used the Great Value brand. The box, it says 20 minutes, but in the air fryer it just takes 10 minutes. The breakfast sandwich maker will hold English muffins, bagels, pancakes, croissants. You just need to have them about 4 inches in diameter. I like to use these frozen pancakes here. They're the perfect size. The only thing is when they're frozen, they don't want to slide in. So I like to stick them in the air fryer just for about a minute, just to where they soften up a little bit. I'm going to cook them at 430 degrees. You just want to use the highest temperature that your air fryer goes to. I went ahead and moved the air fryer just so you can see this one better. One thing I love about these is it's so easy to clean. The little cups here just come right out. They go in the dishwasher. Just stick them back in. I just normally hand wash them because they come clean so easily. I like to buy these frozen sausages because they're just the right size. And what I do is I'll put them in here, and while this is heating up, it will thaw it out and it'll also brown it up a little bit. You don't have to flip, but I normally do. So about halfway, I'll go ahead and flip them. And this will hold 6 of these hash browns at one time. I want to show you a close-up of the rubs I've got. This is Rich's hot and spicy. This here is his sweet. This here is his all-purpose. And this is the Heaven's Made It's Incredible. I'll have the links in the description box for these also. Okay, I can hear it sizzling, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it. Now these pancakes, they're a lot browner on one side, so what I like to do is take the lightest side and place it down first. And see, if it was frozen, I wouldn't be able to get it in there as easily. Now, this is just some American white cheese. You can put whatever you like on these. The bottom always has the cheese and the meat. Now it's non-stick, but I like to spray it just a little bit. You want to break the yolk, put some salt and pepper on there, just make them however you like. And same thing on this, I'm going to put the lighter side up so it gets toasted better. And like I said, it's a little bit larger, so you just got to kind of put it in there. And then we'll set it for 5 minutes. Hash browns are good and brown. They're brown enough for me. You can let them get browner if you like. This sandwich maker also comes in a single instead of the double like I have. The 2 Cent Chicks, they reviewed it, and it's identical except it doesn't have the timer on it. Alright, never done this backwards before, but the key to this one is you've got to pull the little slide out right here, and that's what makes the egg and the top pancake drop down. Then you lift it up. You push it back, and then you'll just pop the top part off. Now that cheese I got is that American cheese, so it's really melty, as you can see. I'm going to have to get a spatula. Ooh, that's hot. Hot, hot, hot. I normally just use a Colby Jack cheddar, but I'm out, so the American just melts so much more, which is no big deal. It's easy to clean up. Just makes more of a messy sandwich. That cheese is like molten lava. Let me see if the hash browns is cooled off enough. They're so good. I flipped it over, you can tell the bottom's a little bit more brown. Oh, this is going to be a messy sandwich. That cheese really made a mess. Ooh, it's so hot. All right, let me see if I can take a bite without burning myself. I normally dip these in syrup. It's hot. The egg is cooked perfectly. Oh, so hot. Of course, when I say perfectly, I mean for a breakfast sandwich. Wow. It's so delicious. Like most gadgets, you definitely don't have to have that to make a breakfast sandwich. I just like being able to make 2 sandwiches in 5 minutes. Of course, I didn't do 2 today, but normally I do 2 at a time. And you don't have to toast the bread or cook the eggs separately or brown up the sausage. I mean, I can do it all in one little machine. Now, if you use bacon, you do want to make sure it's pre-cooked, of course. Canadian bacon, you do not have to. The sausage, I just like buying the frozen sausage just for convenience. Now, Lyle at No Hippie Barbecue, he posted a video a few days ago of his breakfast sandwich he cooked on his Blackstone griddle, where he used the pancakes also. So I'll put that link in the description box. And there you have it. Thanks a lot.